slow, take your time, you can correct your word. Only that you are now in the chair of a police constable. And these are, especially he is a robber, well-known robber. He did all sorts of delinquency. Do you know what is delinquency?
Yes.
Delinquency, how to say in Duvidha?
Duvidha.
Dadagiri. Unlawful actions.
Arrogant behavior.
All those things. Robbery, killing other people, firing somebody, and going with the car and dashing on the scooter, all those things.
Can we start?
Yes.
You start.
You can also start with the good morning madam.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to just introduce me him as he is robber and he doing some
have to see
robbery.
how the
Okay,
robber is.
then I will start. Because that's why I choose you.
Okay. So what can I say to
Free.
After
Yes.
You are, only remember that you are robber.
I
Right?
am trying to escape from you.
You can.
Yes, yes.
That is up to you. You can challenge it.
We are not.
If he escapes, then the problem will be for you. She will get angry with you. Stupid policeman.
I will teach a lesson to you.
After that, after this situation,
Let me free, then I will teach you.
while I am escaping from
From
here,
here.
I am telling you the lesson.
You don't know who I am. You don't know who I am. If you are not read my history.
Yes, yes.
Pakda. Yes, catch him.
Yes, we have captured this robber. He had robbed 1 lakh from a bank.
Where from you bring here the man?
He is from one part of our Satara bank.
And how many rupees you got?
1 lakh. Ma'am. About 1
Can
lakh.
you manifesting that you robbing the?
No, he can't confess it, but we have captured
We
it.
have proof that he all the.
Yes.
Last robbery. I know, he's history setter.
No, it is not right thing. Please
No,
escape.
I know. You are very
Don't do anything like you can't be except from here because you are surrounded with all road camera in all this room. So you can't accept anyone. You can't go anywhere. You have to manifesting what you do and what is your purpose to do that. Then we will think you have a rob. You have guilty or not. This is my decision. You can't go and accept from here.
Ma'am, don't you know who I am?
You don't know who I am. Actually, he's the character, sir. I'm very calm person.
You are moving on now. You have to be strong, otherwise we will go.
Yeah. You don't know. You mean I don't know who are you?
Yes.
You don't know who I am.
I will
If
see you.
if you are wanted to go your home with some of the little bit punishment, you have to manifesting your crime. The reason why you are doing this and who all are with you to do this and who are forcing to do this. You have to all.
I am also joining with politicians. I am.
I don't know about the politician. I don't know about the politician. Tell me the name. Tell me the name. Whose politician is forced to do that? In
April, I will not go my home. I am hiding in jungle.
And we
I am careless person. I am going to
I think you have need some rest. I will invite you in our prison and you can take your rest.
Yes.
Okay? There is
1 or 2 days I escaped from here.
How many can you come from here as a criminal in prison? This is your first time. I don't think this is your first time because of your behavior, the way you talking, the way you careless. I definitely think that you are a very arrogant and the behavior that I don't know. I know that you are going to expect from me.
Ma'am, please escape from here. Please, he is trying to
Very good.
escape.
Very good.
Okay, thank you, sir.